Hi, this is Devin from Kid Choke TV.
I'm Anthony. No longer a pussy.
And this is the Texas Pin Game.
Keep it going.
Oh! Watch out, watch out. Let me get this.
Don't hurt me. Don't knock him in. Just pull him out. Like, really pull him out.
Keep it video.
And show my back after.
Shut up!
God fucking punished you. Oh my God, look at this shit. Look right there.
Oh my.
I feel him in my back.
Take your jacket off. Oh, they're in your ass. Look. Oh, my God, wait.
Oh, big one in his ass.
Wait.
There you
They're in your, okay. You take those out of his back.
Oh,
and his arm,
shit.
and I get them out of his butt.
Oh my God.
I went through the jacket.
Oh, they're in his back. They're in his back. Pull his shirt up. Pull your shirt up. Pull your shirt up. You ready? Oh! No! Don't! No! No! Let's just look first. Watch yourself. Oh! Oh!
Jimmy.
Ow! Fuck! There's one in his arm. Oh! Look at his arm!
Pull it out. Pull it out.
Look at this. Look.
Fast. Pull it
Oh.
out. Fast.
I would like to remind you.
I'm not done. There's like 3 more left on your arm. Don't move.
Stop.
You got all the ones off my back?
No.
There's probably one in his ass too that we don't know about.
Oh.
But like, let me lift up my shirt and tell me if they're on my back. Okay.
Was that a good or bad idea?
Hey, remember whose idea it was?
Okay, but
It really does.
I didn't want to do a fence because I just don't like falling down the ground.
You're good. They ain't in your back no more.
Oh, but you're fucking
Okay.
bleeding like bad.
I'm bleeding?
All right.
That's
And that's the Texas thingamajigger.
No, it's in the